I wonder what they're actually doing up here. Let's see if I can try and get onto that crane and climb up to the top. So it'd be a sick view. I can remember a few years ago I used to come up to here and I used to sit on top of that building just there. Those were the days. I can't believe it's been like 5 years since I used to do that. Don't know what it actually is that they're doing though up here. It's quite cool. You get an absolutely amazing view from up here. It's gorgeous. When the weather's like this country's awesome. But when it's cold, it's, yeah, not so awesome. What a view. Look at that. God, this grass is so overgrown. It's like coming up to my ankles almost. Now, I've got no clue what they're doing here. It looks pretty interesting. Well, I've just noticed that's not like a proper crane, so I wouldn't even be able to climb up onto that if I wanted to. I must say, they have got this bit boarded off pretty well. Hey, I must give them their credit when credit's due. I'll have to do my research when I get home to see what this place actually is. Wait a second. No way. There's no way. Hang on. Oh, no. I generally thought for a second. Is that electric? Oh, I don't want to risk that, you know. Oh, I don't know if that's electric or not. I don't want to think the worst, but I think someone might be here still, judging that there's that car there. I'm not sure. Showers and everything. Wow. Generators. Yeah, I have a feeling that there's someone still here. Because it's kind of odd that there's not like 24-hour security on this bit. Got like a little designated smoking area here, a little shelter for the staff, Honestly, I have got no idea what they are doing here at all. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anyone here though.
This is site security. Your actions are being monitored and recorded. Leave site immediately or response will be deployed.
Yep. Well, there we go. Time to get the fuck out of here. I just got to try and remember what way I came in. Yeah, it was around this way. Oh, I've got stones in my shoes now. No! Let's just hope I can get out of here before anyone arrives. It's really weird. Ah, got a plane which has just taken off from Southampton. Yes, time to get out of here, I think. It's annoying that there's no way to get out on like this bit, because it just leads to like a straight 50-foot drop. I'm gonna stay on the less grassy bit because I don't want to risk getting ticks all on my ankles. Oh no, I do need to go up this way so I can get out. As soon as I get out of this bit, I am sprinting. I am gone. Oh, I've got so many stones in my shoe. Oh. Look at that. Get out, you bastard. Oh, I hear a helicopter. Uh-oh. Surely not. Nah, it's going the other way. It's not even a police heli. And there's no one here. Beautiful. I'm just really intrigued to see what this place is going to become. It's weird. Oh, gosh, it would be helpful if I didn't go straight into bramble bushes, wouldn't it? Well, I tried. I did manage to get in, but yeah, that was pretty quick. I'd say that was what, about 2 or 3 minutes, and they were on my ass. So yeah. Well, there we go, everyone. That was it. I sort of failed and succeeded at the same time. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great one, and I'll see you all on the next video. Peace.